How's it going, friends? So today we're back at the Disneyland Hotel. Today's the reopening of the Disneyland Hotel, and so we're so excited to be here. There was a few changes in this room, so we'll take a look at that right now. But so happy to be back. So for the most part, everything looks very similar or the same. There's a restroom, still single sink. And you see there the complimentary soap and everything you get. And then here across you have the closet with the safe and the ironing board. And then we still have this area here with the coffee and tea. So one of the noticeable changes that you can see is the carpet, the curtains, and for example here there's new outlets or ports, USB ports. Now they have USB-C along with USB-A, so that's pretty cool. A lot of ports for your devices. And we have two beds here. Unfortunately, there's no way really to choose right now on the site your preference on either king or two beds. But so if you do want either two beds or king, it'd be best if you probably just call and make that reservation over the phone. But as you can see, we weren't able to get a king just because, well, we had this is the last one with the deluxe view. And here's the TV, good size, and you have a fridge here and some drawers. And then the headboard here, still the same. You still have this headboard that lights up. Have this button here. You can see it light up. Fireworks. A little tone or lullaby for a few seconds. And this is, like I said, mentioned, this is the deluxe view, which has a pool view. And this is, we see all these towers. We're in the Fantasy Tower. And then we see over there the Adventure Tower, and then Frontier Tower over there, the distance, and Fantasy Tower, or actually, I'm sorry, Adventure Tower, the one we see there is the one with the suites, and the one with the premium views that face the downtown Disney area. But this is an awesome view. This is a deluxe view with the pool, which we see here, pretty cool. But yeah, again, this is, see, this is a bedroom here at the Disneyland Hotel, the deluxe view. Thanks for watching.